everyone. We're busy today. It's really important we keep Dylan's water levels topped up to keep his engine cool. Ready, mechanicals? Go, go, H2O! That's not good, mechanicals. There's no water coming from the pipes.
Oh, it's wonderful!
Soggy screwdrivers! Mr. Weasel's fountain is using all the water.
I thought frogs liked water.
We still need some clean water for Dylan's engine, or he'll overheat.
Not so fast, trash can. This is my water from my tap.
I know, Green. Water's for sharing, not wasting.
Oh, it's raining. My lovely hair might get wet. Oh.
Thanks, Blue. But we need to collect the precious rainwater. Quick, mechanicals! Use whatever you can! Great job, everyone! We've got the rain to thank for filling Dylan's tank.
Yeah!
Wow! What a lot of water Dylan's collected! We won't waste a drop of it. All jobs done. Before we use water, it's important to think how we use it wisely to wash, fill and drink.
Ah! My precious fountain!
Oh, Mr. Weasel, you'd best get a mop. And remember next time not to waste a drop.